Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the clock font on your iPhone lock screen. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on wallpaper. Now tap customize on your current lock screen or tap add new wallpaper if you want a new style. Once you are on the lock screen editing page, tap on the clock itself. This will open the font and color options. Here you will see different font styles you can choose from. Tap on the one you like and you will see a preview of how it looks on your lock screen. Next, you can also change the color of the clock by tapping on the color wheel below the fonts. Choose the color you like, you will see the clock update instantly. If you want, you can also add widgets under the clock like date, battery or calendar. Once you are happy with the style and color, tap down at the bottom right corner. Now lock your iPhone and check your new lock screen. You will see your new lock font and color exactly as you said. And that's it, you have successfully changed the clock font on your iPhone lock screen. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.